Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Want to add your ProtonMail account to your iPhone's built-in mail app? It's important to understand this isn't as straightforward as setting up other email services like Gmail or Outlook. ProtonMail is built with strong end-to-end encryption and a unique security architecture that prevents direct integration with generic third-party email clients like the native iPhone mail app. This security design means you generally cannot add your ProtonMail account directly using standard IMAP or POP3 settings in the iPhone's default mail application. The most secure, reliable, and recommended way to access your ProtonMail on an iPhone is by downloading and using the official ProtonMail app. This dedicated application is specifically designed to handle ProtonMail's encryption and decryption processes seamlessly on your mobile device, providing the full secure email experience. To get started, simply open the App Store on your iPhone, search for ProtonMail, and download the official app. Once installed, launch the application and log in using your ProtonMail username and password. While ProtonMail does offer a bridge application, this tool runs on a desktop computer, Windows, macOS, or Linux, and acts as a local proxy, translating ProtonMail's encrypted mail into a format accessible by desktop email clients like Apple Mail on a Mac or Outlook on a PC. This bridge is not designed for direct connection with your iPhone's native mail app, nor is it practical for mobile use. Attempting to configure your iPhone mail app to connect to a desktop bridge over a network is overly complex and not a standard solution. For a smooth, secure, and fully functional ProtonMail experience on your iPhone, always rely on the official ProtonMail mobile application.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.